comes a, I think it's a 23 model, 97-2 with, I don't know how many hours. How many hours?
24.8, 248.
248 hours. It's got a model warranty on it. It's on repair, iPhone, disconnect, backup camera, radio, high flow, hydraulic disconnect. You can have a choice of a heavy duty tooth bucket. Enclosed cab, of course. It's got a world of warranty on it. I'm going to put brand new tracks on it Monday. I'll show you these tracks. I've just got a machine that needs tracks. It's not as new as this. So I'm going to put the new tracks on this one. This will be just for reference. This track is excellent. Pull the window down there a minute, Jay. It's got a radio in it. It's back up. See right there how nice the window is on it. Really what I want you to do is take this video with the tracks on it in case somebody wants to know why it's got new tracks on it. These tracks are actually for a good 90%. Jack, go ahead and open up the engine. Let me know 1 second to take a picture. Still got the plastic on the seat. If you go buy a brand new one, this is what you get. Hydraulic disconnect. 248 hours. Here's the backup camera and the radio. Close coat. Very, very nice machine. It's near new as you can get. And it's got a big warranty on it.